So today everyone, gumagawa ako ng munay bread, which is Asian Filipino bread. So yes, here, nagmi-mixing tayo. Gumawa tayo ng dough. So it's been, I think, 45 minutes since I mixed this. So guys, ito na yung ating dough. So kailangan na natin siyang i-roll, i-shape. Yan na everyone, i-bake na natin siya. Guys, look at that. Smell good. Oh, wow, 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 wow. Okay, let's add the butter. Oh, this is so cool. Oh yes, yes. Oh yeah. Butter. My own version, you know. It's home cooking. So ayan, how much is this in Philippines right now? I think 5 peso? No, I forget. Wala na akong idea sa mga prices ng mga bread sa Pilipinas. Maybe 5, 3 peso, 2 peso. For me, it's 1 lang, okay? So kung bibili kayo sa akin, everyone, okay, 1 peso. Pangmasa ang presyo, no? Hindi tayo maglalagay ng tax. Kung pwede nga libre na lang, ano? Sige, libre, kung kaya nyo. Yan ang ating bread. Yes, nice. Made from USA. Fresh milk and milk powder. Ang ginamit natin dito is Nido fortified milk powder and fresh milk. Yeah, so dami kong dagdag. So dito na lang tayo. At excited na yung aking anak na kumain sa hot munay. Yan, ating munay. So tapos na tayo sa butter. Kainan na. Yan na ang ating bread. Ayan, nice. Yeah. Yan ang ating bread. Everyone, see na everyone. Ang ating munay for today. Bakit ko dito? Nakaibig lang ng lola. Very fluffy guys. Oh, yo. Ouch. Hot. This is perfect for snacks or more breakfast. Whatever you want. See?